All About the Rainforest by Miles
Emily
and Annalise.
We like the animals in the habitat. We like the trees and the animals in water in my habitat.
Facts about weather, animals, plants, fun facts, and adaptations. We wrote the fact the weather in the rainforest is sunny and very rainy.
Some of them have camouflage, and the rest have very colorful are
very colorful.
The plants can sometimes be turned into medicine. Some monkeys eat mostly leaves. They also swing
from tree to tree on vines.
The rainforest has a lot of water and animals.
That is our presentation about the rainforest.